Alright, here we are. Zack up the tree, a Rimu tree. The customer wants it right down, so we're going to have to rig it out because of the house being close and there's a retaining wall there. So we've set up a rigging rope and a block up in the top there, and we'll rig that out. I've got a redirect at the bottom of the Rimu and the rope running over to this lemon wood over here, the friction device there.